हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू डॉक्टर सोरस क्लासेस। और आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं RBI ग्रेड बी DSIM, दैट मीन्स डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड इंफॉर्मेशन मैनेजमेंट। उसी का ही जो पेपर 2 का जो डिस्क्रिप्टिव टाइप पेपर है स्टैटिस्टिक्स के ऊपर, उसी पेपर का प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर का सॉल्यूशन। Okay, so if you want to take classes from our side or want to take cloud clearing session, previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of that, please don't hesitate. Please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Sourav himself reply to your query individually through WhatsApp. If you want to take admission from our side, please don't hesitate. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Source's class. Why this is the best time? Because now we are providing the maximum discount for that course. So don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Source's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Sourav से। चलिए शुरू करते हैं विथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1B से। क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला गया है? द फॉलोइंग डेटा रिलेट्स टू अ रैंडम सैंपल ऑफ 5 clusters from a population of 25 clusters, each consisting of two consecutive plots, and the value of y are the areas of sample paddy fields are given. That will be the data cluster 1 2 3 4 5 and area 24 16. Okay, so now we can calculate the average area under paddy per field together with its variance. So how can I solve it? So in given data, cluster equals to 5, yes or no, and each cluster has 2 plot. So that will be plot 1 and that will be plot 2. Okay, so now calculate for average area per field. Average area per field, that means calculate the total area for each cluster. That means in cluster 1, the total cluster is 24 plus 21, 45. In cluster 2, that means 16 plus 16, 32. In cluster 3, 12 plus 18, that is equals to 30. And cluster 4, 6 plus 3 equals to 9. Cluster 5, 25 plus 3, 28. Now calculate the grand total area. So what will be the grand total area here? Grand total equals to 45 plus 32 plus 30 plus 9 plus 28, that is equals to 144. Okay, and here the total number of fields, that means since there are 5 clusters and each cluster has 2 plots, so their total number of fields is 5 into 2, that means 10. So what will be the average area? Average area, that means the grand total sorry grand total by total number of fields. total number of fields. That means 144 by 10 means 14.4. Okay, so now calculate the variance of the, now we are calculating the variance of the area per field. So data for variance calculation, data for variance calculation are, calculate the mean area per field. First we need to calculate the mean area per field. So we already have the mean and average as 14.4. Now we will calculate the variance. Now we need to calculate the variance. Okay, so first of all, we need to calculate individual field area. There are 10 field totals. There are total 10 field, and each field area are field 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and each area of the field are first area 24, then 21, then 16, 12, 18, 6, 3, 25, 3. Now calculate the squared deviation from mean for each field. Squared deviation from the mean for each field. To 14.4 square. Minus 2.56 here, and 12 minus 14.4 square, that means 5.76, and 18 minus 14.4 square, that means 12.96, and 6 minus 14.4 whole square, that is 70.56, and 3 minus 14.4 whole square, that means 127.84, and 25 minus 14.4 whole square, that means 112.96, and 3 minus 14.4 whole square, that means 127.84. okay, now calculate the sum of square deviation. So the total sum for that result, that is 590.16. so now we need to calculate the variance. The formula of variance is sum of square deviation. What will be the formula? Sum of square deviation divided by number of fields. That means 590.16 divided by 10, that means 59.016. so what is the variance here? Variance is 59.6. and what will be the total? So what will be the estimated average area per field? Estimated average area per field here 14.4, and estimated variance of area per field are 59.016. that will be the answers for that. So that's all about that. If you like this video, share this video to your friends and your family, and stay connected with us. And to get notification of all our video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon also. Okay, that's all about that. We'll meet you in next session soon. Thank you.